Hello and welcome to Trainers on Fire Academy, the virtual classroom where you bring the passion for fitness and we bring the modern business education you need to turn that passion into a rewarding career. Today's topic is creating your packages. I'll be going over with you of the options you have to create a menu of options for your potential clients. The first step you need to take is to determine whether you're going to be selling programs or a number of sessions. I definitely suggest that you create packages that are based on programs and not the number of sessions sold. I know that most of the gyms work on packages of 5, 10, or 20 personal training sessions. However, I feel that doesn't really relate the value that we offer to our clients. Our clients come to us with a specific problem. They want to find out how can we help them lose weight, get in better shape, or improve their fitness and lifestyle. Selling them a number of sessions doesn't really tell them how we do that. Therefore, having programs that spell out all the value and benefits, it's a lot more helpful for them to make a choice. The second step is creating the number of options you're going to give. A lot of science suggests that you don't want to have too many options because then we're overwhelming our potential clients and they may not be able to make a choice. Also, you don't want to offer just one option because then we're not giving them any choices. Ideally, you want to offer 2, 3, or 4 packages on your menu. First, you want to offer a package that's for the VIP or the premium client. A lot of science shows that there's always a certain amount of the population that will buy the most expensive thing on the menu, the most expensive car, the most expensive phone, the most expensive camera, and the most expensive package their personal trainer offers. So make sure you have a VIP package that gives the most possible value and support that you can provide to help your clients achieve their goals. There's many benefits of having an expensive or a VIP package. First off, you always have 1 or 2 clients on that package, and second, it helps you position you more as of an expert and a premium type of trainer, so therefore the rest of your options are overall higher options. Once you set the tone with that package, you can now offer the rest of your services. You don't want to offer anything on that menu that you don't fully believe in. You want to offer a package that maybe is the most popular option. That's the option that you'd like your clients to ideally pick. And lastly, you want to offer another option that's more of an alternative. Now, make sure that when you create your packages, you feel confident in selling each one of these packages. You don't want to have an option on your menu that you don't believe in or you feel like you are not staying true to yourself. For example, I don't have an option on my services that's 1 time per week. I just don't trust that I can help somebody to transform their life and their fitness by seeing them only 1 time per week. Now, it may be an option for somebody who is a return client or somebody who's worked with me for several months. I may consider seeing them only once per week to maintain. But if somebody's just starting out with me, I don't want to see them just 1 time per week, so I don't offer that on my menu. Don't feel pressure to offer something really cheap just so you have people come in your doors. Remember, you want to stay true to yourself and what you believe about fitness. If you strongly believe you need to see your clients 3 times a week, only offer packages of 3 times per week or more. Now, when I set my prices where I had a VIP package of 4 times per week, a mid-tier with a 3 times a week, and also a 2 times per week, I realized that about half of my clients were training with me 2 times per week, and about 30% were training with me 3 times per week, and had a couple of clients that were training with me 4 times per week. That made a very successful business, and my business was thriving at that time. The last step is determining any extras you want to offer to incentivize your clients to choose you over the competition. Think of what are ways that you can support your clients during their journey. Some of the ones that I've used to help my clients feel confident to make a choice is to offer support over email and text where they can ask questions between sessions. And I've also used different apps to help them either track their nutrition or send them their home workouts over an app so where they can see videos of the exercises they need to do on their own. The most successful incentive I've had is partnering up with a studio that offers a 3D scan for tracking results. What I do is I send my clients there once per month when they can get their results measured using advanced technology. Most of my prospects get really excited when they see that option on the menu of services. I hope you enjoyed this training. If you want to hear more on business, branding, marketing, and sales, please go to trainersonfire.com. There you have the unique opportunity to enroll in a 2-week online live course where you can get all the tools you need to run a profitable and successful fitness business.